Find or read reviews that people are talking about TsuperU, LCD touchscreen replacement, DJ080PA-01A Digitizer. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Replacement OEM part number. DJ080PA-01A, DJ080EA-01L, DJ080EA-01K, DJ080EA-01G, compatible with Chevrolet GMC truck, SUV's 8-inch touchscreen LCD display. If your screen is cracked and has no touch response at all, it will restore touch functionality. With this part you won't have to go to the dealer for a replacement because he will suggest you replace the entire radio, which costs thousands of dollars, which is not necessary. Watch the video provided for replacement, LCD with touch screen. Compatible with Chevrolet models. Please check before buy. Compatible with GMC models, please check before buy. Solve the problem easily. If your screen is cracked, simply won't respond to touch, has random touches, phantom, ghost touches, ghosting, dead spots, unresponsive or poor appearance. Simply replace your TsuperU's touchscreen and it will restore touch functionality without the need to visit your dealer for an expensive repair. Simply replace it once and solve the problem easily. Easy to install. This is the complete 55-pin, 8-inch HD thickness touchscreen glass digitizer, pre-taped for easy installation. Simply reuse your existing LCD. The car radio touchscreen digitizer is designed with factory data to be an exact match to the original vehicle. OEM screen touch responsive. The LCD touchscreen digitizer is made of new upgraded material with high reflectivity for ultimate clarity, more stable performance, higher sensitivity, faster response. And rigorously tested to ensure long service life, with an upgraded surface hardness to reduce scratches and scuffs, and a chemical-resistant treatment to protect against glare and haze. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.